Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Kefir water at home for faster hair growth, thicker hair, and most especially healthy gut. So before we get started, let me tell you the benefits of Kefir water for growing healthy hair. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the benefits of Kefir water. Now, Kefir contains essential amino acids, vitamin A, vitamin B7, vitamin C, D, E, and linoleic acid. And all of these are essential for growing healthy long hair fast, preventing hair fall. It promotes thicker hair and healthy scalp. It is also great to use if you have dry and brittle hair, and it can also gently hydrate the scalp and make your hair smooth and silky. And this is actually great to use as well if you have thin hair, because this is not going to weigh down your hair. Okay, so to make this Kefir water, you need some Kefir grains, water, raw sugar, or muscovado, and if you want to naturally flavor this, you can feed the Kefir with any fruit of your choice, but put it inside the tea bag so that it's easy for them to strain out later. Okay, so this is my dad's proportion. So in a pitcher, fill it with 1 liter of water, and then add 1 cup of muscovado sugar and then mix it. Or you can also use washed brown sugar and just do the exact same thing. Now, the color of your Kefir water is going to depend on what kind of sugar you will feed the Kefir grains. Now, in a water jug, you can add in 1 tablespoon of Kefir in there, and then add in the water and sugar mixture. And then after that, close the lid with a tissue to cover it, and then seal it properly. And then lastly, put on the cap and then put it in an area that it will not be disturbed, preferably in a dark place so that the sun would not hit it directly. And now all you have to do is wait for 2 days before you can harvest it. Okay, so after 2 days, this is what it looks like. Now, my dad went ahead and strained the Kefir grains and of course used a funnel to put the Kefir water in a plastic bottle. So this is what it looks like right now. Now you can use this in 2 ways. First is to drink it, of course, and by doing it this way, your body, especially your gut, is getting the whole benefits of it. Now, studies have confirmed that the gut microbiome not only supports the production of some nutrients needed for growing hair, but it can also regulate hormones that control the transition between the anagen, catagen, and telogen phases of the hair, and can even maintain the conditions in your body that favor healthy hair. And you can also use this externally. Now, of course, all you have to do is just apply it directly onto your scalp, and you can use this all over your hair as well. But it is actually best to soak your hair in it. But for video purposes, I just use the spray, so it's not gonna be messy for me. And I actually find that the Kefir water is a great substitute for ACV as well. And you can also mix this in some of your hair DIYs as well. Now, you can leave this on your hair for 30 minutes max. And as I've said last time, you can focus applying this on your scalp if you're aiming for hair growth or if you are suffering from dry and itchy scalp. So that is it, you guys. I actually like the benefits of this Kefir. I personally like taking it in because not only my hair can benefit, but also my skin and my gut. And at the same time, I actually also like using this as a rinse. And it does make your hair and scalp feel very clean and soft and moisturized. So this is one of the reasons why I do like using Kefir water on my hair. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and also let me know in the comments down below, because I know there's 2 Kefirs that people mostly go for. There's Kefir water and there's Kefir milk. Now, personally for me, I really like taking in Kefir water just because it's a really great replacement for sodas, because it actually has that pop as well that sometimes you can find in a soda as well. So that is a perfect substitute for any sodas or any fruit juices that you have. And as I've said, you can customize actually the flavor of your Kefir water by adding in natural fruits or feeding the Kefir grains with the fruit of your choice. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried making this or have tried Kefir water. And as usual, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!